staggered stance, deadlift, hinge. You're going to start feet hip width to shoulder width apart, toe, heel, back to hip width, shoulder width apart. Long exhale to set the diaphragm and pelvic floor. Inhale, pick up, keep those weights close to the body, pushing those hips back, spreading the sit bones, open chest, neutral spine, looking down. Inhale, pick up, exhale, up. Keeping this back heel up and the feet pressing through the ground so the ground pushes you back up. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Pressing through the ground, hips back to the back wall.